The role of a manufacturing engineer or production engineer in the medical device industry is essential for ensuring that products are manufactured in compliance with regulatory standards and quality requirements. This includes adherence to ISO 13485, EU MDR, European Union Medical Device Regulation, and TÜV, Technische Überwachungsverein, requirements. Below are the detailed responsibilities associated with each framework, along with examples. For ISO 13485, ISO 13485 is an international standard that specifies requirements for a quality management system, QMS, in the medical devices industry. Responsibilities: process development and validation. 1. Example: designing and validating manufacturing processes for a new medical device, such as an infusion pump. 1. This involves creating detailed process flowcharts, conducting failure mode and effects analysis, FMEA, and validating equipment to ensure consistent production quality. 2. Ensure processes are documented and compliant with ISO 13485 requirements. Equipment qualification. 1. Example: managing the installation and qualification of new manufacturing equipment, ensuring it meets specifications and performs reliably. 1. This includes conducting installation qualification, IQ, operational qualification, OQ, and performance qualification, PQ. 2. Maintain records of equipment validation and ensure ongoing compliance. Quality control and assurance. 1. Example: implementing quality control measures such as statistical process control, SPC, to monitor production processes in real time. 1. For instance, regularly testing samples of produced catheters to ensure they meet defined specifications. 2. Collaborate with the quality assurance team to address any non-conformances. Training and competency. 1. Example: developing training programs for production staff on manufacturing processes, equipment operation, and quality standards. 1. Ensuring operators are trained on specific machinery used for device assembly. 2. Maintain training records to demonstrate compliance with ISO standards. Continuous improvement. 1. Example: leading initiatives to improve manufacturing efficiency, such as implementing lean manufacturing techniques to reduce waste and improve throughput. 1. For example, reorganizing the production layout to streamline workflow. 2. Collect and analyze production data to identify trends and areas for improvement. As per EU MDR, the EU MDR focuses on ensuring the safety and performance of medical devices in the European market. Responsibilities: regulatory compliance. 1. Example: ensuring that manufacturing processes align with EU MDR requirements, including risk management and post-market surveillance protocols. 1. For instance, documenting processes for handling adverse event reports related to manufacturing defects. 2. Maintain compliance with specific requirements for design and production as outlined in the regulation. Risk management. 1. Example: implementing risk management strategies during the manufacturing process, including identifying potential hazards associated with device production and establishing controls to mitigate those risks. 2. Collaborate with the quality team to conduct risk assessments for new manufacturing methods. Document control. 1. Example: ensuring that all manufacturing documentation, such as process specifications, work instructions, and quality records, are controlled and up to date as per EU MDR requirements. 2. Facilitate changes to documentation when processes or materials are updated. Supplier management. 1. Example: evaluating and monitoring suppliers of materials and components used in manufacturing, ensuring they comply with both ISO and EU MDR standards. 1. This may involve conducting audits and assessments of suppliers' quality management systems. 2. Manage supplier corrective actions for any non-conformances identified during evaluations. As per TÜV certification ensures compliance with specific technical standards and safety requirements. Responsibilities. Preparation for TÜV audits. 1. Example. Preparing the production area and documentation for TÜV audits by ensuring all processes and quality records are in compliance with relevant TÜV standards. 2. Coordinate with the QA team to resolve any issues before the audit. Implementation of quality standards. 1. Example. Implementing specific technical and safety standards required for TÜV certification in the production process, such as establishing environmental controls for the production of sterile devices. 2. Monitor compliance with TÜV standards through regular inspections and audits of the manufacturing processes. Change management. 1. Example. Managing changes to manufacturing processes or equipment, ensuring that any modifications are evaluated for their impact on product quality and regulatory compliance. 2. Document and communicate changes to all relevant stakeholders. Production oversight. 1. Example. Overseeing day-to-day manufacturing operations to ensure adherence to established processes, quality standards, and production schedules. 1. This includes troubleshooting any issues that arise during production. 2. Collaborate with cross-functional teams to ensure alignment on production goals and compliance. Summary. Manufacturing engineers or production engineers play a critical role in the medical device industry by ensuring that products are manufactured efficiently, safely, and in compliance with regulatory requirements. Their responsibilities span process development, quality control, compliance management, and continuous improvement initiatives. By implementing robust manufacturing practices aligned with ISO 13485, EU MDR, and TÜV standards, they contribute significantly to the overall quality and safety of medical devices, ultimately enhancing patient outcomes.